Hey everybody, it's Ryan here at the Trawf. Thanks for joining me for today's video. Today we're going to be making shrimp fried rice out here on the Blackstone Griddle here behind me, right in the backyard. Super quick, easy cook, perfect for a weeknight meal. Let me show you how it comes together. Welcome to the Trawf. All right, so the ingredients we have for today's cook, of course, are pre-cooked rice. Here I've got about 4 cups of pre-cooked rice. I've got some shrimp that I just real quickly marinated with a little sesame oil, some red chili flakes, and a little bit of lemon juice. For the rest of the ingredients, we've got eggs, carrots, frozen peas which have been thawed, an onion, of course, plenty of garlic. We've got some butter, and then we've got soy sauce, oyster sauce, and more sesame oil. So let's see how quick this comes together over on the Blackstone. All right, so we're going to start with 1 tablespoon of butter on the Blackstone, and we're going to quickly scramble up our eggs. All right, we just do this really quick. We want these to be pre-cooked so they're ready to go towards the end of the cook. Cut them up into small pieces. It'll make it easier to mix it in later on. Take it off, remove it, put it in a bowl, set it off to the side. We'll get back to it in just a minute. The other tablespoon of butter goes back down on the Blackstone, and we're going to get ready to start sauteing up our carrots and onions. It's going to take a little time, so be patient with it, as the carrots takes a little time to soften up. Once they start to get pretty soft, the onions are translucent, we're going to add in our garlic. Remember, add this towards the end as you don't want to burn it. It gets bitter. Once you've got that mixed in nicely, we're going to go ahead and break down our rice. Again, not the easiest thing to do. Find some instruments, chop it up into small pieces. Do the best you can. While that's coming up to temperature, put a little olive oil down on the other side of the Blackstone and get those shrimp going. These will just take a couple of minutes as they're pretty small. While the shrimp are cooking, you want to start to see a little bit of color coming onto that rice. That means we're getting awful close. Now we're going to toss the peas in. We do them right at the end because they are fragile and we don't want them to be all smashed up. Now I'm going to take a knife and I'm just going to cut these small shrimp down into smaller pieces. This will make it a little bit easier to eat and better distribute the shrimp throughout the fried rice. Don't forget about that egg we cooked earlier. Let's get that tossed in here and bring everything together and get it up to temperature. Last steps last, add in the soy sauce, the oyster sauce, and the sesame oil. Toss it all together and watch how quickly it takes on that classic fried rice color. Move this over to a bowl, serve it to your friends, make everybody happy. All right, everybody, so there you have it. About 20 minutes with prep time and cook time, and you've got yourself a delicious pile of fried rice. All right, I'm about to take this in. My family's gonna tear it up. We're really looking forward to having it tonight. It's awesome that you can make something this good on a weeknight, you know, real quick after work. So let's give it a try and see how we did. That's as good as any takeout you're gonna find anywhere. Super easy, you can make it on a Blackstone. You can make this in a skillet if you don't have a griddle outside. But if you don't, you probably ought to get yourself one. Anyways, this has been Ryan here at the Trawf. Glad that you joined us for the video today, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great night, everybody.